In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Mailchimp form action URL in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process together, ensuring you have all the details and tips you need to make this as smooth as possible. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp's website. Once there, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. It's essential to make sure you have access to your account, as we'll be working directly within your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Audience. Go ahead and click on Audience. This section is where you manage your email lists and various audience settings, including sign-up forms, which is exactly what we're interested in today. Next, you'll want to select Sign-up Forms. This option allows you to access and manage the forms that individuals use to subscribe to your mailing list. Now, if you don't already have a specific form set up, don't worry. Mailchimp offers several different forms you can choose from, so click on Sign Up Forms and then you'll want to go with Embedded Forms. This type of form is perfect for integrating directly onto your web page, providing visitors an easy way to sign up. Once you've navigated to the Embedded Forms section, you'll need to choose the type of form you wish to create. Mailchimp offers several options, so pick the one that best fits your needs. They range from classic and condensed to horizontal, ensuring flexibility depending on the layout of your website. After choosing, you can customize the form to suit your aesthetic and functional preferences. Make your selections based on what appeals to your audience and the information you want to capture. With your form customized, the next step is to proceed by clicking on either Continue or Generate Embed Code. This action will take you to a page where the HTML code for your form is generated. This code is crucial because it includes all the necessary elements to display and function as your sign-up form on a website. Now, within this generated HTML code, we are specifically hunting for the action URL. The action URL is contained within the form tag. To find it, simply look for the sham tag. The part within this tag we're interested in is the action attribute. The URL in this attribute is your form action URL. Finally, once you've located the form action URL, all you need to do is copy it. This URL is vital for connecting your form submissions to your Mailchimp account, ensuring the data collected goes directly to the right place. And that's it. You've successfully found the Mailchimp form action URL. You've completed a critical step in making sure your audience can connect with you seamlessly. I hope this guide helped clarify the process for you. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.